Experiencing issues with the Play Sound feature in Find My for your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. This problem often arises due to Bluetooth connectivity hiccups, outdated software, or interference. First, ensure your iPhone or iPad is running iOS 17.1 or later, and your AirPods have the latest firmware, 7A512 or newer. An outdated iOS is a frequent cause for this issue. Next, verify that your AirPods are connected to the same iCloud account as your device and are within Bluetooth range, ideally within 10 to 30 meters. Try closing and reopening the Find My app or restarting your Bluetooth connection. A simple restart often resolves the issue. Keep an eye on the battery level of your AirPods, as this feature might not work if the battery is too low. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try resetting your AirPods. Press and hold the setup button on the charging case until the status light flashes amber, then white. Environmental factors can also play a role. Avoid crowded Wi-Fi networks or areas with significant Bluetooth interference. If the issue persists, consider a full device reset as a last resort. Note that Apple recommends a factory reset as a last resort. They do not recommend a recall. Looking ahead, Apple is integrating AI and ultra-wideband for more precise location tracking, potentially using AR overlays in the Find My app for virtual sound visualization. Keep your devices updated for the latest enhancements, which are designed to make finding lost AirPods easier and more reliable. In the meantime, stay vigilant and remember to check your surroundings.